If you're looking for a convenient daily supplement to support heart health and circulation, this Wellneco beetroot gummies combines beetroot and tart cherry in a delicious berry flavored formula. Each bottle contains 60 vegan gummies. That's about 30 servings. It's designed to maintain healthy blood pressure and cardiovascular function. The pectin-based formula is gluten-free, nut-free, gelatin-free, and non-GMO. Simply take 2 to 4 gummies per day for a caffeine-free energy boost and circulation support made in the USA.